Baba's devotee Dr. Naval Kishore was the gynecologist at Agra Medical College until he received a post at Ramsay Hospital in Nainital. Sometime after he arrived, Baba asked him to treat the hill woman at Hanumangarh, which he did daily from 10 a.m. until 4 p.m. One day, Naval Kishore could not go to work. Baba had been away from Nainital but returned to Hanumangarh. That day, he asked the reason for the doctor's absence, but nobody could tell him. That evening, while walking around with some devotees, Baba stopped near the Empire Hotel and asked, "Where does the doctor live?" When a devotee pointed to the hotel, Baba sent someone inside to call the doctor. He came out and Baba said to him, "You are ill?" When the doctor said no, he then said, "You have a cold." The doctor replied, "Just an ordinary cold." Baba immediately called a dandy and told the doctor to get himself admitted into Ramsay Hospital. The doctor did not feel it necessary, but Baba insisted and sent him to the hospital with some devotees. From there, Maharaj went with Devida Joshi, Puranchand Joshi, and some other devotees to a washerman's house where the puja of Sri Satyanarayan, means Vishnu, was being performed. At about 7:30 p.m., the doctor brother came to see Baba to tell him that his brother's condition was serious. He had suffered a heart attack and was having difficulty breathing. Baba said, "What can I do? You go." Baba sent the devotees with the doctor's brother to the hospital. Later on their return from the hospital, the devotees saw Baba walking towards Kela Khan. Baba told them that he was worried about the doctor and his family, and he continued down to the slope to Kela Khan, where he went to Mohan Baba. I want to tell you about Mohan Baba. Mohan Baba was a well-loved holy man of the Kumaon Hills. He was known as Telephone Baba because although he could truly communicate with God, at times he used gesture as if he were talking to him on the telephone. Like many Indian saints, he did all sorts of leelas hide his mystical power. He was a very innocent, childlike being, and his prophecies proved to be true. Mohan Baba, who was also known as Telephone Baba, was a devotee of Lord Vishnu, and Maharaji asked him to ring up the Lord and tell him about the doctor. Mohan Baba gave an imaginary phone call to Narad, saying that Baba wanted to talk to Vishnu. Narad replied that Lord Vishnu was not available, for he was talking to Goddess Lakshmi. After some time, Maharaj asked Mohan Baba to ring again. This time, Mohan Baba did not hear whatever Narad said clearly and went on shouting into his mystical telephone in vain. All of a sudden, Maharaj got up and picked Mohan Baba up by the hair. He then dropped him on the ground and cried aloud, "He is saved now! He is saved now!" and left. The two devotees also left and returned to Nainital, where they received good news about the doctor's condition. Ram Ram.